Alright, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Alright, I'm reporting live from the stadium and the game has been cancelled once again. The game will be coming off, it hasn't been rescheduled. Right now we don't know what is going on, but I've been told that CAF will release a statement on the situation. But right now, Kotoko versus Nouadhibou FC here won't be coming out. That is what I'm getting. Now, what is the issue? What is the reason why this game will be coming out? 2 players from the Nouadhibou team tested positive for the coronavirus. Now, they are expected to be isolated from the team, but the Nouadhibou FC said they don't trust the the medical team that conducted the test, that they want to conduct themselves, and they say they conducted themselves and found out that the players were negative, and they want to feed them in the match, but the CAF officials is not having it. They were not having it. They said they won't allow the player or players that have been tested positive to play. So because of that, the Nouadhibou FC team refused to play, and that is why the game has been cancelled. The away team refused to play because they denied them access, or they stopped them from using players that tested positive for coronavirus in the game. That is why the Nouadhibou FC team is not playing. Right now, you can see the journalists are fed up. Some of them have left the stadium. Alright, something is happening right now. Let me post it for you guys to see. Alright, that's a CAF official going to the camera. I don't know what is going on, but as at now, the game will be coming up. The Nouadhibou team, they're packing their training equipment. As you can see, the Nouadhibou team are packing their training equipment. Kotoko team, they are packing the training equipment. The game will be coming up again. They were supposed to come out for the warm-up before the game, but now the game will be coming up again. That is the CAF officials standing there. So that is it, guys. That is it. Please subscribe if you are new here.